Hello, people. So, as you all know, of late rabbits have come to be my life. Yeah, like really. So, there is this channel called Lenin the Rabbit. That is, it is such a sweet channel where you can, you're told about everything, do's and don'ts about, keeping a pet rabbit and there's another channel that I was watching in the morning. It's called Binny the Bunny. Yeah, I know, but it's cute thing. And in that channel, they kind of there is this whole segment where this gentleman who runs the channel, he's traveled to Japan, and there's a place called Rabbit Island there, and there's a rabbit cafe also that he visits. So people, you all should check this channel out. It's called Lenin the Bunny because no, yeah, like dogs and cats are very popular as pets. So rabbits also need their place in the sun. Like they also need prominence. But it's important for any animal lover. Now that we are all locked and sitting at home, it's nice to have a pet because automatically they help in calming the mind, and reducing stress. So try it, people. Try and get yourself baby rabbits. They are just adorable. And this channel, Lenin the Rabbit, is really worth following, as is Binny the Bunny. Both are on YouTube. So on that note, thanks for watching and please subscribe.